All right, good morning, everybody, and welcome to Power Plays Palace. Yes, sir, we are back in the building. It's your boy Jay Boogie. We back. It's been a little minute, but we had to do some things, but we back now, and let's take a look at it, man. We back on the spy trade charts, man. We over here at Power Plays Palace, and we look forward to continuing what we started every day, dropping these videos. So let's get this party started with the spy. As we can see, I want to say good morning again to everybody. Like I said, it's been a while coming, but SPY is coming off a strong range between 669 and 672. The pre-market is holding firm around 670, and so we're looking for a continuation, possibly a rejection at some point. But let's break down the plan for the day. Yesterday's high was 669.51. And the low came in at 669.45. Right now, the pre-market is trading in between 672 and 670. A narrow control range, and about 2 point range. So you got some stuff there. Could be some rejection, could be some pull, could be some breakout because of the fact that we up here around these all-time high levels. So you can just about see that there's opportunity there for growth, but it also an opportunity for some pullback because it usually stay up that high, and when it gets into all-time high, there's always a natural little pullback. If SPY can give us a strong 5 minute finish above 671.48, I'm gonna use that as a trigger for my breakout, and I'm gonna be above confirmation. But my stop loss gonna be below 671, with my target being 672 with my target being 672, 670, 672.50, 673.50, and 674. And if I get a rejection in these high ranges, and I got my chart a little messed up, but that should say, all right, if I get a rejection from 672.05, I'm gonna play for a low, play for a pullback and an entry about 670.30. And if that, if it doesn't work, so my target will be 669.50, 668.14, and 667.50, with my stop loss around 671. And that's based off what we're seeing in the charts right now. If you look at it over the last few minutes, you got a big strong push, and it's gonna be pushing up towards 672.51, which is the high from yesterday. It's already sitting above the pre-market high for today, and you see the pre-market low around here around 670. So it's actually sitting around 672 now, which could be problematic if it doesn't break out, because a lot of breakouts don't hold up. So if that's the case here, what you'll see is probably some rejection here. But if you look at my chart, I do have these trend lines here. And what these trend lines tell me, that even if it breaks through here, that I could possibly look up here to 673 range, and that's what we was talking about, our targets. You start to look at the chart, you'll start to see these trend lines. You see how SPY has been respecting it. So right now we're in the middle, bouncing off a rejection. I mean, bouncing off this trend line, which would have, if it had respected it, would have drove the price lower. It broke through on the way up, and it's continuing up with some strength. So I would be careful. We're in an all-time high range, but you can see that it's pretty strong up there. And so that's something that you can look at and consider as we making our decisions today. I know overall you can tell it's a bullish market, but even within bullish market, sometimes there's some pullback. So you got different things, but right now it's a strong market. It'd be real hard for me to go against what I'm seeing. And so based on all of that, I'm gonna be looking for calls, and I'm gonna be looking for calls mainly because it's an uptrend, and you can see the strength here with the trend lines and everything. You can see what's going on. It's already above the pre-market high. Could be holding a little stronger, but it's there, and that gives us opportunity. And you see, buying against this kind of strength is dangerous. But at the end of the day, you know, I mean, what I mean buying against it when people trying to buy puts, calling the top or calling reversal. But when it's this strong, be careful. You know, it's not financial advice. It's just my opinion based on the way I'm gonna be trading this today. Over here at Power Plays, if you're looking for a group to join, people who work and trade every day and you're trying to just have fun. Like I said, this is not financial advice, but you're more than welcome to join us here at Power Plays. And that's how I trade plan for the day. And hopefully you enjoy. And keep on supporting us over here at Power Plays, man. We got a lot going on.